Comment which one do you like. 1. Portable cooler. Add a touch of vintage flair to your space with this compact retro mini cooler. Ideal for storing drinks, skincare, snacks, and more. It's compact and portable with a convenient carrying handle. Perfect for little snacks and baby bottles. 2. Mini fridge. The small desk fridge can be taken anywhere to store food, drinks, beer, beverages, snacks, breast milk, skincare products, and medications. It is ideal to use anywhere in your bedroom, office, dorm, dressing table, boating, camping, and so on.